Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2012 Dodge Challenger SRT8 392 Hemi. It's in black with dark slate gray interior, and we'll just start over here on the trunk. So on the Challenger, great size for the trunk, lots of room for all your stuff. Let's have a look down here. So it's got the inflation kit for the tires. And then we've got the battery in the trunk here. We've got a nice cubby hole for some storage down there as well. We'll just close this up and have a look at the back. So it's got nice silver stripes down the center. We've got the nice wing with the SRT8 logo on there. We've got the nice chrome dual exhaust on this guy as well. Looks great. And we'll just swing around here and have a look at the rear wheel. So it's got the nice P0 Pirelli tires on there on the back. Nice looking wheels, no curb rash, painted rotors, painted calipers. Looks great. So over here at the passenger side, we've got power windows, we've got power locks, we've got the nice baseball stitching there. We've got the alcantara insert in the door. Looks great. And then down here, we've got the nice stainless steel kick plate with Challenger engraved in it. And I'll let you have a look at the seat. So Alcantara insert. We've got the nice red accent with the SRT logoing up there. And I'll just let you have a look at the back seat. So there's the Alcantara inserts with the leather, and it's got the nice armrest in the center there as well. So looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And perfect. So we've got a set of books here. So that's there for you. And then on the dash, we've got the nice Challenger SRT8 logo. Looks great. We'll just hop out, close this door up, have a look down the side. So looks great, looks like glass. No dings, no dents, no issues. Looks great. There's your 392 logo. And here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, painted rotors, painted calipers. Looks great. So under the hood, there's your 392 V8 engine with 470 horsepower paired to the 5-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, it's very clean under here. Everything looks great. And we'll just close this up and have a look at the front end. So here's your front end. So we've got nice projector style headlights on the front. We've got fog lights down below. We've got the nice chin spoiler there, looks good. And in terms of issues, here's a little minor stone chip there. Another little guy here, just to give you a perspective. You know, it's not that bad, but they are there. There's a couple little minor ones along there. But we do want to just point them out to you. So as you can see, you know, they're not that noticeable from far. Down here, we've got the nice smoked front turn signal, looks good. And here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues. Painted rotors, painted calipers, looks great. 392 logo on this side as well. We'll just look back here. So again, no curb rash, no issues. Nice painted rotors, painted calipers, looks great. And they're Brembo brakes that are on this as well. We've got the nice chrome fuel cap. And over here at the driver's door, we've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. And again, that nice baseball stitching with the Alcantara insert. So I'll just flip around. I'll show you the seat, let you have a look. So looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. So we'll get in and we'll fire this one up. All right. Awesome sound. So in terms of kilometers, we have 28,045 kilometers, so nice and low, no engine lights, no warning lights on the dash. Nice white SRT8 gauges behind with the green glow, looks great. Over here we've got voice command, phone controls, and then we've got menu control buttons here. So let me see, how do I do this? Oh, menu, there it is, menu, and then you can flip through. Let's see, distance to empty. So those are all there for you. And then up here we've got paddle shifters on each side. Down here we've got cruise control. It's got the nice SRT logo on the steering wheel. I really like the steering wheel with the grips up here. It's really nice. We've got push button start over here. Here's your nav. So it's got Bluetooth, so it's got some logos for my phone right now that's paired to it. If I click view map, it's got full nav, radio, so AM, FM, satellite radio. If I click load, let's see, we've got the DVD drive there, the DVD in it. Put that back in. Just turn that off. Perfect, so that's there, and then we've got you've got an auto setting if you want to pick a temperature, or you can manually override and make the fan go on. And then I'll just move the shifter out of the way. We've got heated seats down below. We've got a heated steering wheel. We've got sport mode, so when I click that up here, it goes on and off. Just makes it a little bit more sportier to drive. And then we've got a 12-volt socket, and then we've got the nice Mopar shifter. Looks like it's got a little bit of break in the chrome there, but outside of that it looks great, works great. And we've got the illumination in the cup holders, and here's the key. So on the key we've got an auto starter as well, unlock, lock, and trunk. And then while we've got it running, I'll just show you the sunroof is working. Perfect. And then down in here, there's, well, it's hard to see, but there is a 12-volt socket and a USB port in there as well. So that's all there, and let's hop out with it running and have a listen. Great sounding machine. Let you have a look at the front with the lights on. Looks great. And we'll just wrap around. Nice chug to it. Tail lights look great. And there you have it, folks. 2012 Dodge Challenger SRT8 392 Hemi in black on dark slate gray interior, here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.